Hello, welcome back to Fish and Pics. This is my new pic of the cockatoo. It's a grey cockatoo with a red orangey crown. Been wanting to do this one for a little while. I found a good picture. I decided to do this one. So please sit back, get a drink and enjoy. So we start off as we normally do, pick a picture off the internet and then trace it off my laptop on some tracing paper and then tracing it onto the board, as you can see. Makes your arm ache doing this. Once it's on the board, then I go over it with a pencil. Finish off the rest of the parakeet, doing all the feathers. And then I decided to do a paint with a light blue all the way round. And once that was finished, just about, I stopped where we were doing the crown and just done the outline of the feathers, or the inside of the vein of the feathers, with red, and then I could go in between with the rest of the blue. Done the rest with red, then outlined the whole parakeet with black, like I normally do, and then doing dots with a darker blue. I go up to the parrot's beak like I did on the other side, and then I just didn't do so many of the darker blue dots. And once I got to the level, I just done a little bit for the dots, not so heavy. All the way around the crown and everywhere. Top. Next I started doing all the little black dots all in the crown, and then done all the way round the head to the beak to the back level to the top of the picture. And finishing off the dots around the cockatoo's head. Giving it a lot more detail. Now that the dots are finished, we start on the feathers, the grey feathers. From the back of the head down from the neck and onto the body. Now starting on the feathers and the crown and the face, red and orange. Hope you enjoyed this part. See you on the next one.